Measure and take the foxtail millet. I have used a 250 ml glass here. I am taking 1 glass of foxtail millet. Put it in a bowl and to this add 1/4 cup of urad dal. A little more than 1/4 cup. A spoon of fenugreek seeds for the fermentation and a spoon of chana dal. This increases the crispiness of the dosas. Now let us rinse this a couple of times using a tap water. Now fill water and soak it for at least 8 hours. Now let's grind this using a mixer jar or a wet grinder. Add very little water when you are grinding it. The batter should be in this consistency. Transfer it into a bowl, let it ferment. It is nicely fermented. Leaving it overnight to ferment is a good idea. Now add salt and mix it well and let's make dosas. Add little oil and let's flip it over. Now our delicious foxtail millet dosas are ready. Serve it hot.